guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing something I haven't done on my channel in such a long time. I'm gonna be doing a full face of new makeup. It's gonna be trendy and viral products from Sephora that I got during the latest sale. It's gonna be kind of like a first impressions as well. Some of the products I have used like the day that I got them, but for the most part, it's gonna be my raw reaction. This is the look that I just filmed on, which this was kind of risky because I am literally about to go out and meet my friends. And if this makeup look didn't turn out right, I would have been kind of screwed because, like I said, I'm going out. Normally, I would not try a bunch of new products together because that normally doesn't end very well. But I was pleasantly surprised and took the risk. And I'm glad that I did because I think it turned out pretty darn good. I will have everything that I used in today's video listed and linked in the description box below for you guys to shop if you're interested. Everything will also be linked on MelTK as well. And yeah, that's all that I have to say. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So with Mother's Day quickly approaching, I thought I would show you guys some good Mother's Day gift ideas for your mom, your aunt, your sister, your friend, maybe yourself. I always put a lot of pressure on myself when it comes to Mother's Day because my mom is so special to me. I mean, she quite literally raised me. We're super close, we're besties, and I just want to make her Mother's Day as special as it can be. So I always put so much pressure on myself, you know, in planning the perfect day for her, giving her the perfect gift, and I'm sure I'm not alone in that at all. So I thought that I would show you guys my new Ana Luisa pieces to hopefully give you guys some inspiration on what to gift your mom as well. Huge thank you to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on this video. Absolutely love Ana Luisa jewelry. They are one of my favorite jewelry brands. I've mentioned them a ton on my channel. I wear them every single day. I have so many of their jewelry pieces. I have a ton of their earrings, their necklaces, their bracelets, and their rings. They truly have something for everyone. Whether the person you're shopping for or yourself is into trendy pieces or more timeless and classic pieces, they've literally got it all. They have a variety of options. Like I said, they've got necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings. They've even got ear cuffs. They've got so many options to choose from. So many different categories. They're also budget friendly. Their pieces start at $39. They've also got solid gold options as well if you're wanting to spend a little bit more. Their shipping is incredibly fast, which I love because I'm super impatient. And if you're a last minute shopper like I am sometimes, this is going to be amazing for you. And honestly, if you don't love it, they do have a very easy and fast return policy. I will have a link in the description box if you guys want to check Ana Luisa out. I highly recommend that you do. Whether it's for yourself, your mom, a loved one, whoever it may be, they're gonna love it. So let me show you the two new pieces that I got. One I got to specifically match with my mom because I'm gifting her this piece as well. So I'll just start with that one. It's currently this beautiful gold statement bangle that I have on my wrist right now. This is called the Jalen bracelet. It's super good quality. It was really easy to get on and off. I love bracelets like this that you can just slip on yourself and you don't need somebody else to like help you clasp it. Super great. And I want to get 2 or 3 more just like this to kind of like fill my wrist up when I want to make like a statement, you know? So love this bracelet so freaking much. It's so cute. And I think my mom is gonna love it as well, so I got her one to match. I always gift my mom something from Ana Luisa for Mother's Day or her birthday. I've literally been doing that for 3 or 4 years now. They just have the best stuff. So next up I have this ring. I believe I got it in a size 5. I have really small fingers and this fits great. But it's a gold band and then it's got this little dangly like ring piece or like circle ring piece on the end. It's actually, there's 2 of them. So super cute, super like dainty, but also it's kind of a statement because it's very different than anything that I have in my jewelry collection. So I absolutely love these 2 pieces from Ana Luisa. I highly recommend them if you are wanting to buy some new jewelry. I can't wait to gift my mom this. I know she's gonna love it and I can't wait to twin with her. A huge thank you to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on this video. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. Okay, so starting off, I am going to use the Refi Lip Buff that I showed in my Sephora haul. I have already actually used this once, like the day that I got it, and I really, really like this. It's basically just a lip exfoliant. This is what the applicator looks like, and you just squeeze it up and like clear stuff comes out, and then you just like buff out your lips. It does hurt, I'm not gonna lie, but that means it's working because it's getting the dead skin off and also like circulating your blood in your lips, so they're gonna look fuller. I actually really like this. So for primers, we have 3 options. So first option is the Say Glowy Super Gel in the shade Warm Glow. I have already used this before in a different shade. I actually have 2 of them. I also have the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. This stuff is super viral right now. I mean, so is this. This is just supposed to help hydrate and make your skin glow. This is what this one looks like. It's just clear. My other one is the Iconic London Underglow Blurring Primer. I think we're gonna have to go with this one. This one isn't even like a primer. It's something you mix in with your foundation, or like I said, there's a million different ways you can use it. But since I'm using this, I can't use this. It's just gonna be way too glowy. So hopefully that makes sense. That was probably like so confusing for you guys. I've heard really good things about this, so we're gonna give it a shot. Shake well before use. Okay, actually, let me shake it a little bit more. Off the bat, this feels really nice and hydrating on the skin. And it's already giving me a nice little glow and a sheen almost. I don't really know if it's like necessarily blurring. You guys tell me what you think, but I like this. Wow. Made my skin look really nice. Love. Next product I'm really excited about. This is the Say Slip Tint. It has an SPF of 35 in it, which is really good, and it's basically a tinted moisturizer. But this is the only like foundation skin tint item that I got, so we're gonna have to go with this and hope it looks good for tonight. I'm gonna be blending this out with my Say brush. The lettering has come off, but I love this brush for blending out my foundation. So let's see how this goes. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my hand first. I also am a little terrified of this color match. I got the shade 3.5. I don't really know if this is gonna be a good match or not. Looks like it's gonna be decent. Oh my God, this is already a fail because I need to do my eyebrows first because I use the Refi Brow Sculpt and it gets a little messy if I do it after my foundation. So I'm gonna do this off camera really quick and then come back to you guys. I don't have a new brow product because why would I get a new brow product when this is my go-to? So I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows really quick and sculpt them a little. I'll come back to the brows a little bit later, but this is what they look like for now. Now time to blend out this skin tint. I think I did pretty good on the color match. It's definitely pretty light coverage, which is what I was expecting. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more that I had left over on my hand. This would be great for, you know, everyday use, but since I am going out, I definitely want something a little bit more full coverage. This is absolutely gorgeous on the skin. Looks very natural, very glowy. I love these 2 products together. So gorge. So normally my go-to concealer is the Say concealer. I have it right here. I'm a big Say fan if you can't tell. Didn't even plan that, but I do have a new concealer to try today. I've actually already tried this like in a different shade. I've had it for years, but the one that I have is a little too dark for me right now. It's in the shade Oat. So I got a lighter shade. This is in the shade Birch. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. This is very full coverage. So like I said, I would normally use the Say concealer. It's a little bit lighter when I'm wearing like a skin tint. But today we're gonna use this for the sake of the video. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. That definitely brightened up my under eye and gave me some more coverage. It's really, really good. Next up, we have my favorite liquid blush ever. This is from Huda Beauty. This is the Blush Filter Liquid Blush in the shade Cotton Candy. This is the one that I've already had in my makeup bag. I did get a restock on this during the sale, which is what you saw in my Sephora video, but why would I open a new one when I still have some left? So I'm just gonna use this. Actually, just kidding. I need to do bronzer first. What am I thinking? So for cream contour, I'm using this one from Westman Atelier. This is the Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit. I'm really excited to try this out. I haven't tried this yet. obviously. Just looks like this. I'm very, very excited. That blended so nice. I'm really glad I went with this color. I was gonna get the medium one, but I thought that might be a little too dark for just like everyday use. So I'm glad that I went with this one. Very, very happy with this product. Wow, love that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my Huda Beauty blush. I use a lot of this. I like a lot of blush. And the applicator doesn't disperse like a ton at once. So I just do a bunch of little dots. I can't get over this blush. It's just too good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my powder. This is the one I use from Givenchy. This is the old formula. The new one I heard is pretty bad. So, don't know what I'm gonna do when this one runs out. If you have any powder wrecks, let me know. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of this under the eyes. I don't really need powder, but I just like to do a little bit in my T-zone area. Now I'm gonna finish the brows. This is the brow product that I use. It's by Anastasia. It's the Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. I use the darker shade, and I really only use this in my arches, so I'm gonna do that really quick. So I just did my brows and eyes off camera, and I was getting a little hot, so I took my robe off, but I didn't have anything new to show you guys for the brows or the eyes until now. I got the Giorgio Armani liquid eye tint, liquid eyeshadow eye tint, I don't know. This is in the shade 12S Shell, I believe. I'm gonna do a little bit on my eyelids, which may look, I don't even know how you're supposed to blend this out. Use a brush, maybe? Okay, I'm gonna use like a flat, like shader brush, I guess. I'm a little scared. I already did my wings and everything and they're not looking the best. So if I butcher this with this eyeshadow, it's over. This is really pretty. It's very like ethereal. I don't even think I need to blend it. Do I? Ooh, wait. I like this. I just used this. I thought I was gonna need to use a brush to kind of like disperse it a little bit more, but I don't think I do. I hope I did a decent job because I'm trying not to, you know, hit the wing. This is incredible, very easy to use. And I'm someone who hates using eyeshadow or like doing eyeshadow in general, hence why I only did like brown in my crease because of my eyelashes. They just get in the way. And it's like really hard to see like what I'm doing and really hard to blend out. So this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm just gonna brush out the lashes a little bit and then we'll do bottom lash mascara. I have a new mascara to try. This is the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. I'm just gonna use this obviously on my lower lashes because I have lash extensions. I have already tried this like the other day and I already have some thoughts on it, but I'm gonna give it another shot. I've actually used this twice. I'm also not gonna talk during this because I hate doing lower lash mascara. I don't know what it is, but I have to like really concentrate. Okay, yeah, my opinion still stands on this. I just feel like it's not the best. This isn't viral or trending or anything. I literally just looked up mini mascaras on Sephora. I normally use the Smashbox Super Lash. They sent this to me and I love it. It just really coats all my lashes. It makes them super dark. And this, I feel like I don't know, I have to be like really meticulous and it doesn't. It gets every lash, but it kind of clumps them together a little bit. I don't know, it's not like a fail, but it's just not my favorite. So if you have any like lower lash mascara recs, let a girl know. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use the YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze Bronzer. I have the shade 02 that I just got. It's pretty light. And then this one I've had in the shade 03. So I think I'm gonna use this one today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the darker one today. Just to be on the safe side. I don't know how that's safe, but in my mind it is. Because I'm just gonna use a little bit. Love this bronzer. Okay, so what do we have next? We have blush. This is the YSL Make Me Blush Powder Blush in the shade 93. I think it's like Restless Rose, I think is the shade name. So it looks like this. It looks like it's gonna be pretty light. Hopefully it pairs well with my Huda Beauty one. Oh, wow. I don't even need a highlighter with this. Also, don't say anything about blush blindness because I already know I have it, but blush is literally the first makeup product to fade on your face throughout the night. So I pack it on. Let me know what you guys think, but I think I like it. Actually, I know I like it. I don't know why I said that. I've got the Dior highlighter. This is the new one. The Dior Forever Glow Luminizer in the shade 02 Gold Halo. Yeah, I like this. Stunning. Okay, last but not least, the only like new product that I have for lips is my Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum in the shade Strawberry Sprinkles. I also have this Ole Henriksen lip balm, but I don't really like to use this over lip liner. This is just like a lip balm. It's my favorite ever. But I do have this one. However, I'm wanting to do a darker lip tonight, so I thought I would use the same product but in a different shade that I already own, in the shade Chocolate Frosting. I don't have a new lip liner, so I'm just gonna use, this is the Rhode Peptide Lip Shape contour thing in the shade Lean. I love these lip contours so much, but this cap always comes off and it's so annoying. But anyways, now I'm gonna use the Laneige Glaze Craze over top. I think the dark lip was the move. I'm not really sure. I think I like it. I don't know. Now I'm just gonna set with my Makeup by Mario setting spray. And voila, the makeup is done. Let me know what you guys think. I will have every single product that I used listed and linked in the description box if you guys want to shop anything that I showed. So guys, that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below and click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these makeup products in the comment section. I would love to chat with you guys about it. I tried some really amazing products that I think are gonna be my holy grails, and I'm so excited. I just love when I try and buy new makeup products that are worth my money, and I feel like this was it. I'll have all these products linked in the description box if you guys want to shop anything that I showed or used. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.